Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to break down for you how you can add page numbers to your documents and text on Google Docs. It is mind-blowingly simple, so let me show you how it works. All you need to do, guys, is, for example, start or open a new blank document and click on Insert here at the top. Select page numbers from the drop-down menu, and after that choose the format of your page numbering or page count. For example, you can go with that type of format or that formatting here with the page numbers in the top right corner or in the bottom right corner. So I'm going to go with that format here, formatting, or page count with the page count starting in the bottom right corner. So if I click on it, you will see that page count has been added, starting with page number 1. Also, guys, you can click on options here and select header format, for example, or page numbers from the drop-down menu. That is going to redirect you to these settings where you can decide whether you'd like to position your page count in the header or in the footer, or for example start with a different page, not with 1 but maybe 2, 3, and so on and so forth. And you simply click on apply to apply these changes, and that's basically it. As you can see, now the page count starts in the bottom right corner of my page 1, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day.